Assembly instruction, S02. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1. Double open-end wrench, 8 mm, 10 mm and 13 mm, 15 mm. Allen wrench, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto S02 bike. Step 1. Unpack the bike. Pull the frame and all parts: keys, pedals, front basket, rear basket, manual, front fender, toolkit, charger, seat out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto S02. Keep the spare fuse in a safe place. It is not used for assembly and will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step 2. Install the front wheel. Loosen axle nuts on front fork to make room for the front wheel. Lift the front of the bike and lower the fork onto the wheel axle. Put back screws and gasket. Push the black plastic nut caps onto the axle nuts. Put back and tighten the screws on the other side. Plug in the motor cable. Step 3. Install the handlebar. Center the handlebar and tighten the 4 bolts on stem faceplate evenly. Step 4. Install the front fender. Remove the fender mounting bolt from the fork arch with the supplied wrench and set aside. Place the fender in position. Pass the front fender mounting point under the front fork arch from the back of the front tire. Tighten with the screwdriver. Tighten the one on the downside with the screwdriver. Step 5. Install the front basket. Remove the front basket screws. The 4 holes of the basket are aligned with the 4 holes of the frame. Use the screwdriver to assemble it with front basket screws. Fix the headlight cable to the bot basket with a zip tie. Then cut off the excess part of zip tie. Step 6. Install the front light. Align the headlight with the hole in front of the basket. Lock it tight with the screw, and the angle of the light can be adjusted by yourself. Step 7. Install the rear basket. Remove the 4 mounting bolts from the rear frame. Align the 4 holes of the rear basket with the 4 holes of the rear frame with an even distance between the left and right. And put back the mounting bolts. Tighten it with screwdriver. Step 8. Install the seat. Insert seat post into seat tube. Adjust the seat post up or down to a comfortable height, while ensuring the seat post is inserted into the frame past the minimum insertion point. Close the quick release lever to secure the seat post and check that it cannot move. Step 9. Install the pedal. Locate the pedal with an R or L stamped into the end of the pedal axle, which indicated is the right or left pedal. The right or left pedal goes on the crank on the right or left side of the bike. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. Carefully thread the pedal onto the crank by hand slowly. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. Register warranty card with us as soon as possible. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for return if needed.